Hey everybody, this is Tim Whittemore, your local expert and enthusiastic professional. Once again here with the Whittemore Group and eXp Realty. We're just giving you some good information here today. Just want to let you know some of the top reasons why buyers end up failing not actually purchasing home even though they really want to. So first things first is they're shopping for homes outside their price range. What that really means is that they go out, they find a home, they fall in love with it, they get in, they may even get under negotiations and actually have a settled deal in a contract, and then they go to the lender, and then the lender says, hey, you can't afford this. And it could be a difference of $20,000 or more. And of course, the other side isn't going to come down after that since you just negotiated a contract. So that's one of the reasons that some buyers never end up actually purchasing that home. The other is not getting pre-approved, which is really what I was just talking about, pre-approved or pre-qualified. Either way, if you're not going out there educated on how much you can actually afford, then you won't be able to get there. Even if you think, hey, I'm paying a mortgage right now and it's $2,300 a month, even though that you're able to pay that, your credit and your debt to income ratio may not actually equivalent to you being able to purchase something that would have that same monthly payment. So definitely talk to a mortgage loan originator or a bank to figure that out first. Also, is not having a timeline. If you don't have any amount of urgency in actually purchasing a home, you'll probably never actually get it. If you, as people have told me, are waiting for that diamond in a rough, that never happens, only in the movies. And trust me, if it's priced right and dressed right, one of us realtors are probably going to get it before you do. But in any case, make sure that you do have some sort of timeline. If not, you might be wasting yourself and your realtor's time and just looking at it. It might be a fun hobby for you, but for some of us professional realtors, for most of us, this is our business. Next is not researching the neighborhoods prior to going out there. So if you or your real estate professional hasn't been walking you through what to anticipate in certain neighborhoods by the time that you go through all of the inspections and things of that nature, and you get out there and realize, hey, there's a whole bunch of kids in this neighborhood, or there's not enough, and there's a whole bunch of empty nesters, and you go out there and go, I don't want to live here, then you will probably not end up purchasing that house, and you might even lose some funds on the way, like earnest money and things of that nature. If you have any further questions on that, of course, do let myself or anybody on my team know. I'm more than happy to fill you in with the rest of that. Other is letting emotions get in the way. Now, I see this a lot. Most buyers, as we say in the real estate industry, need to be financially ready, as we've already talked about. They need to have some urgency, and they need to be emotionally ready. What does that mean? If it's you and your significant other and only one of the parties want to actually purchase a house, that could be an issue. If for whatever reason you can't get into the emotion of actually purchasing and investing in a large asset like that, you got to make sure that you're mentally sound and mentally ready to pull the trigger to pull that. If not, it's just going to be this emotional roller coaster that's no fun for you or anybody else. So make sure that you're going to be there and don't let the emotions get in the way. And I know that's tough to say, but make sure that you're ready for that. The other is opting out not to do a home inspection. Now, a home inspection, at least in this area, you're looking anywhere between $300 to $600+ maybe in a one-time home inspection for yourself. Know that the bank's going to do an inspection on their own unless you're a cash deal. But if you end up doing your own home inspection, and you don't actually do it when you actually go to close and the bank does theirs and they go, hey, we're not going to lend you this money because the house is falling apart. That's one of those reasons that you could not end up going to close for that house, might end up not purchasing it. And here's a big one, and one of the biggest ones, and it's not working with a real estate professional, not working with a realtor. We do this for a living. So we're out here and we do have buyer's consultations. My group definitely does the buyer's consultations where we sit down and explain everything you need to know prior to even going forward. So all the items that we just discussed, we make sure that you're ready, willing, able, and ready to go out there and actually get this asset, get it quickly, and get the best deal on it with the best terms. So not working with a realtor and deciding to go through a for sale by owner or just trying to go through another listing agent in order to purchase that, with not having somebody that has your best interest in mind, that could really set you up for failure, and it could possibly not even bring it to close. So if you're not working with a realtor and you're working with somebody that doesn't do this a lot and is not educated, there's a very high probability that it could fall through. Now, these are just some reasons that you could end up not purchasing a house as a buyer. There, of course, there's a lot more, but those are the most common that we have. Hopefully, this was some good information for you. If you have additional questions, please do contact myself or anybody on my team. My information's under this video here somewhere, and hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.